Downtowns are the heart of every community. To get people to explore them, you need more than just a list of addresses. You need to tell a story. Today, we're showing you how to build a highly engaging, interactive downtown map that looks professional and takes almost no time to set up. The best part? You don't have to start from zero. Mapme now features ready-to-use templates. Just select one of our downtown templates and you'll see it already comes preloaded with essential categories like parking, restaurants, and parks, complete with beautiful built-in icons. To make your map truly engaging, follow 3 simple rules. First, think visual. Don't just name a business, show it. Add high-quality photos or even short videos to give visitors a sneak peek of the vibe before they arrive. Second, make it actionable. Use clear calls to action that link to reservation pages, menus, or event tickets, and complement them with clickable social media links and other useful resources, like online checkout pages, to increase engagement with local businesses. Third, highlight what's happening now. Use the map to promote temporary events like farmers markets or holiday festivals. This keeps your map feeling fresh and worth revisiting. Once you're ready, simply embed your map on your website or share it on social media to help more people discover everything your downtown has to offer. Finally, remember that your map is a trusted guide. With built-in walking directions and real-time user location, your visitors will never feel lost. They'll feel invited to explore. Start your downtown map today, and if you have any questions, reach out through the chat.